Hello students, welcome to Learning Management System. The program BSc imprints General English 4th semester session number 49. In this 49th session, we are going to discuss writing skills in the grammar section, writing skills, particularly proverbs, its definitions, sample and exercises. I am Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Aid College, Yelahanka. Created this PPT's video along with Dr. Suresh SB. Grammar section, writing skills, proverbs. Okay. Proverbs definition. They are phrases expressing a basic truth which may be applied to common solutions. It is a striking or paradoxical assertion, an obscure saying, an enigma, a parable, a familiar illustration, a subject of a contemptuous reference. Many worldly wise experiences are distilled into proverbs. It is so they are phrases expressing a basic truth which may be applied to common situations. It is striking or paradoxical assertions. Sometimes it's striking directly, or sometimes giving a double meaning or paradoxical. The implicit meaning will be something else, and they are talking something in the face of prima facie. They are talking something prima facie, and the hidden meaning is something else, like a paradoxical assertion, an obscure saying, an enigma, a parable, a familiar illustration, a subject of a contemptuous reference. Many worldly wise experiences are distilled into proverbs. Okay, a proverb from Latin of proverbium is a simple, concrete, traditional saying that expresses a perceived truth based on common sense or experience. Proverb are often metaphorical and use formalic language. Collectively, they from a genre of folklore. Some proverbs exist in more than one language because people borrow them from languages and cultures with which they are in contact. Some of the examples are: a friend in need is a friend indeed. If someone helps you when you have problems, you are in trouble, that friend is a true friend. A beauty is the eye of the beholder. Everyone has their own ideas of what is beautiful. Means the person who looks and who now, if I enjoys a certain image, certain situation, such a nature picture or something, if it no, it depends upon how I perceives the beauty. The beauty lies all over, but how I perceives, and if it gives a thrill or enjoyment to me, it is in the hands of in the behold of my eye behold. It's in my eye behold. So everyone can decide, everyone can enjoy the beauty according to his will and wish. The practice makes a man perfect. The oldest and evergreen proverb, practice makes man perfect. If you want to be perfect at something, you need to practice every day. Haste makes waste. When you try to work too quickly, you usually make mistakes. So haste, no, if you hesitates to do something, certainly you will get time to work on it. But if you, without thinking, if you go and do something unusual, certainly it yields something, some problems. It creates some problems if you do without thinking or something, and it will lead to some mistakes only. Okay, better late than never. It is better to do something later than not to do at all. For in case if take your own time and travel to the destination and go and meet the people even after it is late or something, by asking, requesting, begging, borrowing, doing everything. But instead of that, yes, time is getting late, and so you are started to rush to the spot by taking the bike, car, or something, and you are going with a higher and higher speed, and it's not able to reach. It better suits to this proverb suits to that biking and riding things to the younger population. Better late than never. Now if you meanwhile if met with meeting with an accident and hospitalizing or losing your are you losing a life? This also matters. Better late than never. You should just go aram say no problem at all. Take go calmly. Likewise, okay. Easy to come, easy to go. If when something easily, especially money or is easily got and then soon spent or lost, it says that should have some. The workability and work through the no earn through the working by the hard working, by practicing doing something, and instead of getting very easily, and strive hard work, do hard work. Likewise, two wrongs don't make a right. It's never right to wrong someone, even if they have wronged you first. Two wrongs don't make a right. It is never right to wrong someone, if even if they have wronged you first. A bad man, a bad workman always blames his tools. When someone blames the quality of their equipment or other external factors, when they perform a task poorly. So man is telling always, it's like is telling that the tools are not properly arranged, or the tools are not available. Things telling that many things like one proverb is also the relevant and the similar proverb there in Kannada. ಕುಣಿಲಾರದವಳು ನೆಲ ಡೊಂಕು ಅಂದಳಂತೆ. Likewise, okay. And a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. It's there in the idiom section also. The same it's turned into a proverb. It's also can be used as a proverb. Things we already have are more valuable than what we have to get. So better keep the things which with us, with the safeguard the things which with us, instead of going for something which is not able to reach or something. Okay, all good things come to an end. Good experiences eventually come to an end. Likewise, okay, all's well that ends well. As long as the outcome is good, problems on the way don't matter. All's well that ends well. Now if everything is going well, that things also good ends with a good happy ending. All that glitters is not gold. Things that look good inwardly may not be as valuable as glitters are not gold. That's a common thing. All shining things are not all outwardly. Worldly things are all not good for health. Likewise, health and wealth. An empty vessel makes much noise. It's again a legendary proverb, which is usual. I'll use it. Evergreen, as I told earlier. The foolish or stupid people are the most talkative. Like an idle drives the devil's workshop. Another evergreen. If you have nothing to do, you will likely to think of mischief. I think begin is half done. Just at least to do something, at least to start, initiate this. Otherwise, no, it's itself means that you have done. You have finished off of the work. A good beginning makes it easier to accomplish and the rest of the project. Beauty is only skin deep. A person's character, intellect, and other inner qualities are more important than physical beauty. Okay, better to be poor and healthy rather than rich and sick. Good health is more important than the money. The blood is thicker than water. Relationships with the family is stronger than other relationships, such as no. It's also nationalism and it's also state-wise. Yes, communicating. It's making unity. No, it's these kind of proverbs are so very much good at making the people unite in certain points, such as the state-wise agitations, nationalism, and fighting against the opponents. These are all helpful very much. And the blood, and telling that the caste, kith and kins are more stronger. Relationships are good in deciding the factors. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So the cleaning is a sign of goodness, the great virtue, and it's equal to the God. Clothes do not make the man. A person's character can't be judged by his clothing and outward appearance. Cowards die many times before their deaths. Cowards suffer the feared effects of death many times over in their lives. Don't judge a book by its cover. It was the great proverb. It's idiom proverb quotation well attached with Charlie Chaplin himself. Just like you can't form an opinion of a book just by looking at its cover, you can't form an opinion about someone or something from their outward appearance. Good things come to those who wait. Patience is often rewarded. Laughter is the best medicine. Thinking positively and laughing will help you to feel better. Exercises. Match the following answers. Here you have one to one questions and answers. One swallow does not make a summer. Out of sight, out of mind. Better safe than sorry. Two wrongs and do not make a right. So this is the continuous. There is no any jumbled here and there. Helter skelter. It's continuing directly. It's given here matching. It's already matched, and here we have the reference section. Now here some beautiful references where you can download the information and gather more information about the proverbs. And thank you. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.